I thought we were just going to be kind of just thrown in there, hands-on, but no, they really break it down from like a fundamental scientific standpoint. But no, you're coming here, this person, he's walked the walk, talked the talk, and now he's here trying to give you all the insider secrets and training, kind of make you the best that you can be. My name is Anthony Hansen. I'm from about Phoenix, Arizona, more specifically Buckeye, and I'm here just to kind of start my business up, get the essentials, that way I can make sure I start correctly and have the right tools to use. Found out about Right Look, I think I just Googled top 10 best detailing schools, and this is like the first one. It was more than I expected, so it kind of blew my expectations out of the park when it comes to all, you think it's just someone that's got taught, about how to auto recondition. But no, you're coming here, this person, he's walked the walk, talked the talk, and now he's here trying to give you all the insider secrets and training, kind of make you the best that you can be. So I thought we were just going to be kind of just thrown in there, hands-on, but no, they really break it down from like a fundamental scientific standpoint. One, for example, is foam cannons. You see them all over YouTube, TikTok, social media, and you're like, oh yeah, that's a quick way to clean a car. That's the best way because it gets everywhere. But that's a huge misconception because it's kind of the worst thing you can do for your paint. It was super easy to kind of understand the product that you're using, opposed to something that you have like a random name. You're like, if you need to dress a tire, oh, it literally says tire dressing. It makes it so much easier, and it kind of takes like the headache of looking for different products. You're like, oh no, that's what it is. I love the intimate setting. You get to know the instructor pretty well. He gets to know you, first name basis, and now like you're stuck in an auditorium. You're like, all right guys, this is what you're here to do. It makes it a lot easier for the learning process and just practicing. They can correct you on site, and it was cool. One of the classmates, he already has done business for 6 years now, right? He's been doing it for 6 years. I thought he would know everything. So it's like cool seeing that he can bring back those, skills and techniques. And it just gives me hope and like reassures me like, oh man, I'm glad that I invested my time and energy into this because, it's gonna help me from the start run a successful business. So you work with like the old one the first day, and then the second day you work with the newer one. It's like I said, like the VCR example, it's something that it's kind of not difficult to use, just like, wow, you can see where people who have been detailing for years have been using this old thing. Luckily, you don't have to learn from your own mistakes. You're up to date with all the new standards and kind of supplies they have out there. Ceramic coating, it's a big deal. And then kind of doing it, taking your time, the instructor's help, of course. It's a lot easier than you expected. And it's kind of relaxing, Hopefully I'm going to help out as many people as I can, especially living in Arizona. With all the sun damage, you have a lot of wind sometimes, you have like monsoon season, so just to protect their paint against that. So hopefully I can help out as many customers as I can. So my plans right now is just to practice first maybe my roommates' cars, and then start reaching out to my military counterparts and seeing, working what we've learned here, kind of trying to sell to them and get them in those packages early. That way when I get out, I can already have an initial clientele. I can start growing. I've already grown thus far, and then I can keep on growing after I get out. I just want to say thank you, everybody, for the enjoyable experience. Everybody was super nice, down to earth, was always willing to pass on knowledge and truly cares about you going out there on your own and trying to give you the tools that you need to succeed. So I just want to say thank you. And my name is Anthony Hansen from Phoenix, Arizona. So if you ever get your car auto reconditioned, just reach out to me. And definitely come to this school if you even have any thought about wanting to get into business.